Good morning, my child. I am Sanjeev Kumar, computer teacher. Language is a medium to express our views and feelings. To communicate with a computer, we need language that a computer understands. A computer needs step-wise instruction to inform any action. As like our communication medium, we communicate with each other, student, teachers, parents, teachers, student to student, needs a language that express own views for the purpose of data sharing, communication, talking, and so on. Computer connect with our input and output devices as like hardware, keyboard, mouse, printers that are connected with the help of wire and without wires. Which mediums? How to communicate keyboard to CPU and CPU to monitor. When we give an instruction with the help of mouse and typing a text with the help of keyboard, action make a reflection reaction on the desktop monitor that produce a effect of typing a text which later we type and when which icon we click and how to moment how to action occurred due to click the devices. We know about computer. Computer is an electronic device. Well now, computer understand only machine understandable language. A program is a set of instructions that tells the computers what to do and how to do. The process of writing a specific instruction in a computer language is called programming. Each programming language has its own specific rules. The evolution of programs language has made it easier for programmers to write powerful application programs. The development of computer language has been divided into the following categories. When we start a computer programming, we use machine language. It is only language that computer understands. It is expressed in binary form, zero and on, zero means off, and one means on. Machine language has the advantage of very high speed and very low memory utilization. Understanding and learning machine language is a time and cursing the process. It is a very difficult to write, debug, writing written in machine language because it has only 0 and 1 combination. When some technical error, then we don't able to find, and we need to rewrite a programs or a programs debugging condition is difficult. It machine level language extremely machine dependent. That is why machine language is also regarded as a low level language. A machine language programs written on one computer may or not run on another computer because this is very few people opt for a specialization in machine level language. Now we discuss about assembly language, second generation language. Assembly language has some mnemonic codes, means we add assembly language since language using symbol codes, it easier to work assembly language than binary language. As evident, the computer understand only machine language, so assembly language have to program convert into machine language, and translator programs known as the assembler were developed to convert the assembly language programs into machine level programs. A program's written assembly language is called source programs, whereas the program converted into machine level language by assembler is called object programs, object code. Like machine language, assembly language is also machine dependent, and programming in the language is quick time consumption, thus also regarding low level language. Now we discuss high level language. High level language is quite similar to the English language, Hindi, Urdu we use, and machine use basic C, C++, Java, so many very popular programs in high level language. High level language programs need to translate into machine language by using the translator programs. A translator programs used to convert a high level language to machine level language and machine level language to high level language. There are two types of translator programs which are used in high level language. First is interpreter. Interpreter program is a that program translate line by line, execute the instruction, and then repeat the producer uh, to the remembering instruction. If any errors we are found, they to remove immediately as we convert from not execute anywhere, so it is to be generated at the time to execution of programs. Interpreter programs are preferred for beginners and slow in execution speed. Now we discuss second translator program, compiler. Compiler is a translator program that convert use to convert high level program to machine level programs. It translates the whole programs at once. It is the main feature of compiler. It generates the object code programs or along with the help list of errors. The execution speed of compiler is faster than compared into interpreter. Interpreter means line by line translator and compiler means translate the whole programs at a time. This is the feature of compiler and interpreter. It is also called difference between translator, interpreter and compiler. Interpreter translate line by line, execute instruction, then repeat the producer for the remaining instruction, and compiler translate the whole program at once. It generates object code for the programs along with the list of errors. Thank you. We discuss about a language, computer language. Now we discuss